Good morning once again, students. So yesterday we did this poem My Mother at 66, and today we will do the textual question answers of this poem. So one thing I'm just giving an excuse that I don't have that book, NCERT textbook, so I am just discussing the important question, and I feel that most of the textual questions will be covered, whatever questions I am covering. Like first question here is that what does the poet's smile in the poem My Mother at 66 show? So I told you yesterday that the poetess was giving a fake smile just to hide her pain behind her smile and to give a fake hope to her mother that they are going to meet soon. But that is almost just next to impossible because her mother is aging and she is not sure about that whether she will be going to live more or not. Okay. So after that, I think the question is yes, this is question number 4. That is also important. Like, what kind of pain does Kamala Das feel in My Mother at 66? So that pain was a pain of separation. She was feeling that pain, and that thing has been mentioned in the poem also, that was a familiar ache of the mother and the daughter, both of them. Since their childhood, they are afraid or scared of the thing to get separate from each other, but now their dream is going to be that fear is going to be truth. Okay, so this is a thing. So that pain was of separation. They were feeling the pain of separation, or maybe that separation will last longer. Next question which I would like to explain is, yes, what was Kamala Das' childhood fear? Okay, so the fear of separation from mother and the insecurity of losing her mother was the main fear of the poet Kamala Das. Again, the question has been asked in different ways, like, what do the parting words of Kamala Das and her smile signify? What do the parting words of the poet and her smile signify? What is the significance of the parting words of the poet and her smile in My Mother at 66 signify? So, but for all the question answer is the same, that she is trying to giving a fake hope to her mother and to herself also that they are going to meet soon, because she was hiding her pain behind that smile. So she was giving that fake smile. Instead that she know that very clearly they are not going to meet again. Okay. Next question, question number 12. It's important and maybe it's your textual question. Why are the young trees described as sprinting? I told you sprint means to move fast in opposite direction. So while they were moving in a car, the poetess felt that the trees are moving fast, or they are running in an opposite direction. So that's why the trees were described as sprinting. Yes, this question is also very important, and this is also in your book. Why has the poet brought in the image of merry children spilling out of their homes? I told you while explaining the poem, like, the poet has brought out the image just to make a contrast between the situation of poetess and the children. On one side, the poet is going to a lifetime separation from her mother, but on the other side, the children, they are coming from their houses just to play for a while, and they will mingle with their parents again. So this is the difference and contrast between the situation of the poetess and the children. So that's why that image has been mentioned by the poet. One more thing is there. I want to tell you the poetic devices which has been used in the poem, but I am waiting that when our offline classes will be start, we will do that. Okay, that in that way it will be easier for you to understand. Okay, I hope you understand. I will send you a link of the question answers, and then you will write them for. Okay.